Hello. In this video, we'll be talking about the WhatsApp chat view on Monday. To use this feature, you must have integrated timelines with Monday. Keep in mind that you can follow the steps that we provide within our knowledge base articles and our video tutorials. You can always contact us via the chat support here on Timelines. So you can get all those instructions and you can get this integration going. To get started, in this case, we're going to open Monday. And within the board that you have configured with the integration, besides the phone number column and the chat link column, you will create another one, which is going to be called chat ID. And it doesn't have to have any space in it. It's going to be chat ID. So to do that, you just need to click on this plus button to add a column. And then you're going to select text. Here, you're going to change the text name that it's already pre-configured here. You're going to write chat ID. And that's how you're going to save it. Now, in this case, once you have that configured, you may then proceed and add the specific chat view here on Monday. In this case, you just need to click on the updates button that you will see within your contacts here in this board. We can just click on this button here, the updates button. And then you will see that there's a plus button right here where you can add a view. We're going to click on it, and then we're going to select installed apps. Here, you're going to choose the Timelines live chat view. We add item, and the system will automatically load the chat that you have with this contact. Now, you have an option here in case you want to see this view as the first one in your particular tabs here. You can just click on this three-dotted button, and then you may set as a board default. This will take that to the first tab in your tabs section here within the item. Now, when it comes to the specific chat view, this is a chat that I have with a contact in particular, an individual chat. And you can see here that I can select the chat. If we have multiple chats, like from multiple WhatsApp accounts in your workspace, you can select one of those and you can click on it so you can open the entire chat thread. Here you will see that we show the specific contact's name, the contact's phone number in international format, and also we have the chat ID hyperlinked. So whenever you click on it, the system will open the chat for you on Timelines, so you can review the conversation on our platform. What you can see in this case is that we have an exchange of messages with this contact. These are the messages the contact sends, which are always placed on the left side of the entire chat thread. The ones that you send are located at the right side of it, just like you will have it on WhatsApp. You can send and receive, in this case, attachments. You can download them as well. And you will see who sent the message. For example, here's my user confirming that I sent the message to this contact. Now, there's another thing that we also share with you here, which is a source of that message that you sent. If you see this within the parentheses, that means that you send the message from a particular source. For example, I have an integration with Make that sends automated messages. Then I can see that reflected here. Also, on HubSpot, I have an automation, and I can see that here. And also, I have one with Zapier. So all the sources that you have, like, for example, the particular integrations that you have configured on Timelines, if you send messages through those specific integrations, you will see them visible here. Now, moving forward, in this case, we can definitely send a message to this contact from this page. You may send a new message from scratch. Okay. And then you can also send a template. For example, let's open another chat here, like this one. We open the chat view, and you will see that we can also use templates. So on Timelines, you can actually create templates that you can definitely use here within Monday. To do that, you just have to look in your keyboard for the slash button, which you have to push on, and then you will see that all the templates will be loaded here, the templates that you have created. I will use this one, for instance. And then I can also add emojis to it. I will add one here. There we go. And you can either click on this button, or you can just click on Control Enter if you're using a Windows computer. And you will see that the message is going through. The system will usually display this particular item or this specific, I would say, icon. But don't worry about it. That means that the message was actually sent. It's just that the system is processing this on our end. We can definitely open this conversation for you to see. So we can click on the chat ID link. The system will automatically load that chat for me. As you can see here, this is the message that we just sent to the contact. And I can see where the message came from, the Monday UI. Now, there's one last detail that I would like to mention, and is the fact that you can also have a conversation with group chats. Now, to have a conversation with group chats, it's important to keep in mind that since group chats don't have a phone number that can actually own the entire conversation, you will see that no phone number will be added here. Instead, we're going to rely on the chat ID, so you can definitely send those messages and continue the conversation with those groups that you may have. So we can just click on the update section. We can then click on the chat view, and you will see that we have the entire conversation available here. Okay, so this is a group chat, and I have available, well, the entire chat thread that I have with this contact. So all the messages that are sent by the group chat members will be placed on the left side. So you can definitely continue the conversation here. We're going to send this message. Okay. And then I will open the chat link from here so you can see that it shows up on Timelines as well. You'll see that we have a confirmation that this is a group chat. There's no phone number, just a JID, which is a unique identifier for chats in general, but usually group chats benefit greatly from this particular identifier. And also we have the chat ID for your reference. You can see the team members or group chat members in this case within this tab in case you want to review who is part of that particular group chat that you're working with. So that will be it when it comes to the specific WhatsApp chat view that we offer on Monday. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us via the chat support. Remember, just click on this bubble here on the bottom right corner, and you will be assisted by our team so you can receive all the information that you may need from this particular integration, but also for the other features that we offer. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.